Hello friends at home, it's Persilly the Snow Fairy here, your one and only. Sorry I'm unable to see you in person this year, but I wanted to share one of my favorite holiday crafts. Today, we're going to learn how to make a snowflake out of paper. I can't give you all my secrets. All you need to make your snowflake is a template, and your parents can find it at the uniondepot.org, that's ORG/holiday, and a pair of scissors. Make sure you're safe with these scissors, okay? All right. So, what you're going to do is you're going to cut a square in your template. The square, when it looks something like this, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to fold this in half. All right, we're going to make a triangle. If you guys don't know what a triangle looks like, well, Persilly's going to show you now, okay? All right. Oh, I'm not following the lines. Oops. You guys make sure to follow the black lines when you do this, okay? You want to make sure your snowflake is pretty. So here's our triangle. It'll look something like this. And if it's not perfect, it's okay. Tell your parents to print out 5 to 10 so you can make a bunch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make another one. We're going to fold this one in half. So now we have 2 triangles. 1 triangle and 2. Here we are. I'm going to go like that. Easy peasy. So now look, you've made 2 triangles. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Great. All right. Now the tricky part. Well, it's really not too tricky. What are you going to do? You're going to fold these back like this, all right? You're going to fold the line here, and you're going to fold it here, but you're going to fold it backwards, like so. So we got this here. There's another one. All right, and then I'm going to take that and go like this. See how that works? And then I'm going to do it again on this side. We're going to make like a rocket, okay? Not out of snowflakes, but we're making a snowflake and it looks like a rocket. It's going to be a snowflake when we're done, but now what does it look like? A rocket. Perfect. So then you're going to take your scissors. Make sure you're careful, okay? You're going to cut on this line right here, all right? So you're going to take it, cut off your rocket flames, like so. So it'll do like that. Perfect. And now with this, you're going to cut out all the gray areas. This is your precious snowflake. You don't want to cut into that, okay? So Persilly's going to do it for you. Here we go. Make sure your scissors is kind of in good shape, because you don't want to ruin it, okay? We've got another one. I hope you guys are having a great holiday. I miss your faces. Remember, the next time I see you, I'm going to make you close your eyes, make a wish, and wiggle your nose. And every snowflake is going to be different with your templates, so just remember that, okay? So don't just do one, do multiples. Have fun with it. Make it a Friday night thing with your family, cutting out snowflakes and stuff. Whoop! Oh! Make sure you clean up your mess when you're done, too. Last one right here. Wait for it. Oh. Okay. Now the best part. Can you believe this is going to be a snowflake? Alright, this is what we do now. Carefully, don't ruin your snowflake. Slowly unfold it. This has been fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Look at her. She's beautiful. And then, if you want to make sure your snowflakes stay flat, and eventually maybe hang them on your Christmas tree, or find some really cool ribbon and tape them to them, you'll have snowflakes dangling, like maybe on a fireplace or something. Just remember one thing. I miss you all. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful holiday. And I hope you guys had fun. Until then, you guys, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the future. Goodbye, you guys.